So, who is a DevOps engineer? Let me break it out to you very simply. The guy responsible for making sure things don't break. There are no interruptions, there are no downtime, everything just works smoothly. Even if there's downtime, users don't notice, especially when you have to make updates to an application. So, one thing about their role is to make sure that we want to move things from one server to another server. We want to scale without impacting user experience. Okay, something happens and we need to restore to a previous state without people noticing. Another thing is to make sure that, oh, we want to replicate this application on this new set of servers. So when it comes to scaling, so scaling is we used to serve 1,000 people. Now we have 10,000 people to serve, and we don't want things to break. Who is that guy that makes sure that documentations are kept properly to see that when next we want to repeat the same actions, we're not starting all over again? How do we automate the process, things that we've done before, to make sure that when next we want to do it, it takes about a few seconds instead of people manually doing stuff and they miss a step and things break or there are mistakes? How do you learn things like this? You need to learn from the experts. You need to know what you need to know. And this particular role requires you learning so many tools. Trust me, as a DevOps engineer, I have people who are my mentors, and when I in the forum where they talk, I hear tools I've never heard of before. But guess what? You don't have to be afraid. You just start from the basics. You start learning one tool from another. Before you know it, you have all the possible tools you need to know to make you an experienced DevOps engineer. Most importantly, a lot of these tools just ride on experience of a previous. So when you hear new ones, don't be scared. You probably have something handy in the back of your mind that will make you learn it very fast. Thank me later.